Audio Jungle.
Let's go. Okay, I made this friend at मलचेज घाट. तो ये मुझे कहीं ले जा रहा है एक टेम्पल. मलचेज घाट तो डिसअपॉइंट कर रहा मुझे. Was very disappointed. No waterfall, no clouds, clear blue sky. Kalu waterfalls is dried up. It is still not flowing any sort of water. So yeah, sat with this dude. We spoke for like good hour and a half. भाई यही तो मज़ा आता है जब ऐसे मिलते हैं. हाँ, यहाँ से पानी गिरता है. पानी गिरता है. ओके. Spoke like for a good hour and a half. Shared some crazy stories. He yeah. Yeah, so I was saying, shared some crazy stories. He lives in Mumbai, Thane, and he regularly commutes. His village is somewhere this side. तो वो literally photos दिखाया कैसे रहता है. Usually when it rains, it is all fogged up. So yeah, otherwise अच्छे points बन जाते हैं. It's fun. You know, that's the thing about going on solo rides. You talk to strangers. In the morning while having breakfast, वो जो शॉप ओनर था उससे बात कर लिया. वो बोल रहा था how misal pav was delicacy of Maharashtra. हाँ हाँ हाँ. Look at me now. Look at me now. Hey. So I've got some time. It's only 12:30. I have to meet Rex in the evening. So it anyways will take 3 hours to reach. I mean, I'm assuming 4 hours now because Pune में traffic देखा कल. लौड़े लग गए. So it'll take easily 4 hours. So even if I'm taking an hour or two in between, so I should be home, or rather to the hotel room by 5ish, and then I can get ready and meet Rex. ऐसा एक बंदा रहे, and you know, just connect the intercom and then बकचोदी करते जाए. That is all I want. Need to make one friend who is mad about these bike rides. वही. भाई घर तक छोड़ दो बोलते हैं. घर तक छोड़ दो बोल रहे हैं. कौन ही छोड़ेगा. लोग चलो. See, when you're with someone, even if you're cruising at like 50, 60, it isn't a problem because you're having fun. You know, if I'm alone, I would be rather focused on maintaining at least 100 speed just to reach the destination quickly. मुझे तो मज़ा आ रहा है भाई, इतना बात भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. We don't talk much, just signaling, and then I'm still enjoying it. This is fun. This is honestly fun. So probably next time let me give it a shot on that stranger group ride thing. Hopefully I can connect with some guy and then go on trips frequently. There's a Buddha temple here as well. I don't want to put on the gloves. This is keeping me well off gloves. Wait, that was showing 119, this is showing 127. The fuck is wrong with these boards? Pune was showing 119 like 3 kilometers ago. Now it is showing 127. ఏ ఊర్లో చదువుకున్నారా మీరు? Dude must be crazy. He's driving in sandals. You know what happens when you drive in sandals? Usually the sun, it'll burn your feet, of course. And two, the small pebbles of stones. You know what happens when the tires rotating in the front vehicle's tire rotates, it'll throw those pebbles onto you, and they hurt. Oh god, they do hurt a lot. This is cool, yeah. Finally a hard road to climb. So over there it was a decline, it was easy. But this is an incline which is very tough and really fun. X-Pulse, that's another good bike to drive. आगे से और अच्छा है चू. You ready? अच्छा. मैं नीचे देख रहा हूँ कहाँ. नहीं, वो देख रहा था, मुझे पीछे नहीं देखा, मुझे लगा. हाँ. Oh, there's again zigzag, zigzag. This will be fun. Oh, my biker's dream. Only if I had the R15, I could have like literally bent and driven the bike. I can't bend this bike much. This is not for bending. Oh. Wow. Just wow. I think we came from there only, like right there. Also, the road is like neat. Unlike the one while I was coming, I don't see any potholes as such. See, women are driving bikes, which is so cool. And how can you forget the sugar cane? I wish I could just pluck one and go. Had I bought the bungee ropes with me, I would have definitely plugged one or two. We once did that when I went out with my friends to Anandagiri. While checking out, we went into the field and we plucked few and got them. We ate them also. Crazy as. I see a lot of stacks of onions, like small storages that they're doing. Wondering like what's or how it is done, what's the logic and all. This is far better road than what I took while coming. I must admit, made a mistake by not taking this road. Okay. ये रोड फार बेटर है. ये रोड जो लिए ना फार बेटर है. हाँ, जो जब आ रहा था ना तब से कंपेयर करें तो बहुत बेटर है ये. हाँ, आते वक्त तो इतना गंदा था रोड, बहुत गंदा था. Oh, nice statue. Looks like someone got married. Nice.